I saw this post where a guy turned a MacBook into a trash can, and while I don't hate Apple products, I do love ridiculous things. So let's see how hard it is to turn a broken MacBook into a trash can. This laptop has certainly seen better days, but because it's non-functional, we're gonna start by removing all of the external screws to get into the inside, where we're gonna remove as many components as we possibly can. We're just gonna tear them all out. And there goes the motherboard, the batteries, and most importantly, the keyboard, because this is gonna be our angle of attack. If we remove the key switches themselves, the metal chassis is now exposed, and we can snip off all of these little bits in order to fully remove this section. Now for my implementation, I'm just gonna cover up these rough areas with electrical tape, even though it would probably look a little bit better if you dremeled or sanded this down. But I mean, just like that, if we go ahead and grab a box for the laptop to sit on top of, we can open it up and throw away our garbage. Of course, with the previous step being cutting a hole in the box itself. Now, it might not be the nicest looking trash can in the world because I used a cardboard box instead of wood or metal, but I will say it is pretty inconspicuous, which, you know, makes for a really cool project. Now, a really neat next step would be to make the screen still functional despite it being filled with garbage. How exactly to make that work? I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna give it a shot.